Hello learners, welcome to our YouTube channel Study Kernel. Today in this video we are going to perform logical operations and or for the given values. Also we shall perform bitwise left and right shift operation in C language. So let's start. Truth table for logical ANDing and ORing operation is as shown below. For AND logic, if both the inputs are 1, then output is 1. Else, for all the other cases, output is 0. For OR logic, if any one input is 1, then output is 1s. Otherwise, output for all the other cases is 0. With example, we will try to understand and OR operation. Two decimal numbers 60 and 12 is written along with their binary equivalent. Result of ANDing and ORing operation is as shown. We know that algorithm is a stepwise set of instructions. Before writing actual code, we write an algorithm for our task, which is performing ANDing, ORing operation on given values. Along with that, performing bitwise left and right shift operation on data. So, step 1 is the start. In step 2, we shall read two values from user and will store in variable x and y. In step 3, we shall perform bitwise AND operation on same variable x and y and display its result. In step 4, we shall perform bitwise OR operation on variable x and y and display its result. In step 5, we shall perform bitwise left shift operation on x by 2, later store and display resultant value. In step 6, we shall perform bitwise right shift operation on x by 2 and store and display resultant value. Last step, that is step number 7, is stop. Flowchart is a graphical representation of an algorithm. Flowchart always begins with start and ends with stop. Two numbers are read and store it in a variable x and y. Bitwise ANDing, bitwise ORing, bitwise left shift and bitwise right shift operation is done as shown in the rectangular box, which is process box. Result of AND, OR, left shift and right shift is displayed in input-output block. Flowchart ends with stop. Here we shall see actual code. First of all, initialization of library files such as stdio.h and kunio.h is done. Values of variable x and y is initialized as x is equals to 60 and y is equals to 12. Later, ANDing, ORing, left shift and right shift operation is performed using appropriate functions. Its resultant value is displayed using printf function. Now we shall see how actual program is executed using Turbo C. Same program that we have discussed earlier is shown here. We shall execute the code by clicking on Run button. In output window, we have got values of x is equals to 60, y is equals to 12. The result of AND operation is 12. Result of OR operation is 60. Result of left shift operation of x by value 2 is 240. Result of right shift operation of x by 2 value is 15. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning and keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.